people here, welcome and good morning from Bali, Indonesia. I want to do just a short morning coffee cup wake up sequence. So let's start in child's pose. So you've made it from your bed to your mat into child's pose this way. So traditional child's pose is balasana. Take the hips to the heels and the hands come around. The forehead comes down. Slow, steady breath here. First, inhale, breathe into the belly. Feel the belly press into the thighs. And release. Inhale, breathe into the side ribs. And release. Inhale, breathe into the back body, back of the heart. And release. Bring the arms forward. Come up onto the fingertips. Pull the shoulders in towards the ears as the fingers reach out. So we're reaching in opposite directions. Pulling in towards core, reaching out. Begin to walk the hands towards the right. Pick the belly up, move it over the thighs. Reaching toward the right. Left hand maybe comes over the right hand. Side body stretch. And slowly moving towards the left. Right hand comes over the left hand. Side body stretch onto the right. One more inhale. Sigh out. Audible exhales are yummy. And coming back to center. Inhale, wave the spine up. Arch the back as you exhale, come back. Tuck the chin to the chest, round the back as you come up. Cat pose. Exhale, cow as you come back. Again, like this. Inhale, round as you come up. And exhale, cow as you come back. Yes. Once more. Inhale, round as you come up. Tuck the toes. Downward facing dog. Pedal the feet. Inhale, lift the right leg up, bend the knee, open the hip. Make some big circles, just unwinding. Crack, pop, all of that good stuff. Plant the foot down. Inhale, lift the left leg up, bend the knee, open the hip. Woo, got some pops there. Rotate. Plant the foot down. Gaze forward, slowly step to the top of the mat. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, fold. Let the torso lay heavy, lazy. Inhale, halfway lift, and exhale, fold it down. Tuck the chin to the chest, bend the knees really generously. We're going to roll up and down a couple times like there's no bones in the torso, yeah? It feels really good. Looks a little weird, feels really good. So no bones. I like to bring a little bit of vibration here. Maybe lift one shoulder and then the other. You can feel it in my low back when I straighten one leg and then the other. Slowly roll up. Find some movement in the body. This feels so good. I know it looks weird. That doesn't matter. Slowly roll all the way up. Vertebrae stacks over vertebrae. Let the arms lift up real lazy-like. And then come back down. The chin tucks into the chest. Bend the knees. Slump the shoulders forward. Roll back down. Again, find movement as you come down. Again, when you get all the way down, push into the earth. Come all the way back up. Maybe a little bit faster here. Arms lift. Bend the knees, round the shoulders, chin to chest as you come down. Again, buoyancy. Yes, roll down. Once more coming up. Unwind. Arms lift. And exhale, hands to heart center. Beautiful. Inhale, lift the arms up. And exhale, fold forward. Halfway lift, inhale. And exhale, step back with the right foot. Gazes forward, plant the back knee down. One breath in. Exhale, sink the hips. One more inhale, maybe a slight back bend. Plant the hands, straighten both the legs as you pour forward, yes. Inhale, lunge. And exhale, fold. Yes, feels good. Inhale, lunge. And exhale, fold. Once more. Inhale, lunge. Plant the right hand as that left arm lifts. Bring the arm towards the top of the mat and find some movement here. One more inhale and a wide leg forward fold. So plant the back heel down. Toes slightly in, heels slightly out. Drop the crown of the head. Bend in one knee and then the other. Yes. Find stillness. Plant the hands or bring the hands to the hips. Begin to gaze forward. There's a slight micro bend in the legs. Press into the feet as you lift all the way up. Left toes turn towards the top of the mat. Warrior two for just a moment. Find a little bit of movement. Reverse warrior. Remember, we're just waking up the body, so no sharp edges. Exhale, plant the hands, step forward. Inhale, halfway lift. And exhale, fold. Once more. Inhale, halfway lift. Step back with the left foot. Plant the back knee down. Inhale, rise. Exhale, sink the hips. Inhale, open the heart slightly. Plant the hands, straighten both legs, pour forward. Inhale, bend, gaze forward. And exhale, fold. Inhale, come forward. Exhale, fold. Beautiful. Opening up. Inhale, forward. Plant the left hand, spiral open. Yeah? Take a moment here. Lean back into the shoulders. And then bring the top arm towards the top of the mat. One more inhale. And exhale, turn towards the left. Wide leg forward, fold. Toes slightly in, heels slightly out. Fold forward. This should feel good. Move a little bit, wiggle a little bit. Can you press down through the outer edges of the feet? Maybe even lift the arches slightly. Get a little bit more opening. Hands to the hips, begin to gaze forward. Press and lift as you come all the way up. Turn the right toes forward, bend the knee. Find a little buoyancy. Warrior two. Watch the front knee. See if you can outer spiral with the front thigh. Flip the front palm. Inhale, reverse warrior. Plant the hands. This time step back. Downward facing dog. I'm just going to rinse the spine out here. So inhale, wave forward plank pose. Bend the knees, wave back, downward facing dog. Maybe you move cat-cow in the back. So watch. Inhale, cat pose as you move forward, wave forward. Bend the knees, cow pose as you wave back, downward dog. Twice more like this. It feels so good in the mornings. Inhale. Exhale. Kind of stick the booty out as you move back. It's an undulation of the spine. Inhale, wave forward. And exhale, wave back. Beautiful. Let's come down, walk up towards the hands, and then sit the booty down. Nice. So we got some movement. We'll come down to a little bit more stillness and do a few stretches, yeah? Bring the right leg out. Kind of stick the booty out even sitting here. So you have that natural curve of the low back. Take the right hand outside the right knee. Left arm up and over. Get a big side body stretch. Maybe you come down to the elbow, to the forearm. Maybe not. Lean back into the shoulders, open. Big side body stretches, feel so good. Maybe you allow that top arm to rest over the head like a wet noodle. If you want it to be a little bit more restorative, you could even take the head into the hand as well. Or you can make it active. If you're really open, you can grab the toes and begin to reach for the foot. Lots of different options. I hear that it's just cold everywhere. It's February right now in Bali, and it's beautiful. I just talked to my mom. She's in a snowstorm in Colorado. I have a friend in Chicago that's like iced in. It's hard for me even to imagine. I'm kind of like thinking they're making it up, but slowly come up. Let's take a twist towards the left. Right hand comes to the left knee. And take a twist. Press down through the sit bones, lift up through the crown of the head. Slightly pull the heart center forward and twist. Switch sides. Left leg extends. I don't really ever want to be cold again. I lived in ski resorts. I lived in Colorado for like 8 years. It was really beautiful, but I like it in the summer more now. That's my plan. I love winter towns in the summer. It's the best. Maybe come down to the forearm, maybe not. Start by just reaching. Open the heart. This left shoulder often wants to come up, so check in with that. Bring it away from the ear. Then maybe you come lower. I'll be in Europe this summer, and I'm really wanting to go to Switzerland or the French Alps to see some of those beautiful mountains in the summer. Yeah, that's what I want. I say it now. I do declare I will go to Switzerland in the summer. Lean back into the shoulders. Maybe you relax that arm. Maybe the head comes into the hand. I like to take a block under the elbow sometimes as well. It gives a little bit more room. Full exhale. One more inhale. Side out. And slowly lift up. Let's twist to the right. Left hand to the knee. Turn to the right. Inhale, lift through the crown of the head. And exhale, twist. See if you can stay rooted in the left sit bone. So we don't want to come up and twist. We want to stay rooted and twist from the base. Slowly come to center. Baddha Konasana, soles of the feet together. They don't have to come in really close to the groin. They can stay open. It's fine. One round of breath. Press down to lift up. And exhale, fold forward. And slowly rise up. Cross the legs. How you feeling? A little open, a little more open, a little more awake, ready for the day. This is the best way to start the day, I promise. I've been starting with about 5-10 minutes meditation as well. And it's really, really sets the stage for a beautiful day whenever we can carve out some time for ourselves, whether it's yoga, meditation, maybe a little bit of journaling, just something to, we wake up and say, you know, you're worth a little time. Like, I'm worth a little time. We say that to ourselves. And from there, good things blossom. Thanks for joining me. If you'd like to check out longer classes, then head to Om Yoga Tribe. There's a link in, you can either head to my website, which there's a link, or there's a link in the description as well. And if you'd like to practice live, I'm kind of all over the place. I'm traveling often, so go to my website and see where I'm at. I would love to meet you. Thanks so much for letting me be part of your practice. Again, my name's Cole Chance. Hope to see you next time. Namaste.